Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to your English class. In today's class, we will learn a poem, The Skylark. Skylark means a small singing bird. In Kannada, we call it as Chakravaka athava Banadi. This poem was written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. Christina Georgina Rossetti was an English poet who wrote various devotional and children's poems. Goblin Market and Remember remain famous. So she started writing at the young age of 12. She has written many beautiful poems on nature and life. So in this poem, she describes the song and flight of a skylark on a bright morning. She describes about the life and nature in the poem. And also she describes the nature very beautifully. She says that skylark singing is very beautiful and joyful. She expresses her feelings about skylark. Children, have you listened to birds singing? Or have you seen birds flying in the sky? So here some birds sounds. Enjoy these sounds. When does a quail sing, children? It is generally sing from middle April to middle July in the mango season. See how beautiful quail sings. We feel happy when we see birds flying and hear bird songs. And you try to imitate that sounds also. Yes or no, children? See here how beautiful quail sings. Now let us move on to our poem. The poetess in a cornfield. ಅಂದರೆ ತೆನೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಹೊಲ. And heard a skylark singing above. She stops for a while to enjoy the beauty of the scene. So skylark means you already know. It's a bird known for its sweet song and it found in farmlands. So see here in this picture The skylark is on the cornfield. Let us move on to first stanza. In the first stanza, poet wanted to tell us that the earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn, a skylark hang between the two, a singing speck above the corn. Here some new words are heard means listening. Sunny. Sunny means warm or a bright. Morn means morning. Here morn is rhyming word of a corn. Skylark. Small singing bird. Speck. Speck means small shape of the bird or a tiny dot type. So the earth was green in color and sky color is blue. And one sunny morn means early in the morning. One day early in the morning, bright morning when sun shines brightly, at that time poetess saw and heard skylark. She heard a skylark sound. So this is the skylark bird. Here poet described the skylark bird is hanging between the green earth and blue sky. It is flying between the earth and sky. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೈಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕಾಶದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೂಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕವಯಿತ್ರಿಯವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೈಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And it looks like a speck above the corn plants. Speck means a tiny or a small shape of the bird. It looks small because it is far away. See children, when things are far away from you, it looks small or in a dot type because they are far away from us. Here it looks tiny when it's far away. Second stanza. In the second stanza, poetess says that a stage below in gay accord, white butterflies danced on the wing, and still the singing skylark soared, and silent sang and soared to sing. Here new words are stage. Stage means platform or performance. Platform for performance. Gay means happiness or joyfulness. Accord means agreement or accordingly. Then butterfly you already know. Soared. Soared means fly very high. And sank means coming down. So when bird fly very high, it is soared. And sank means coming down. This green earth appeared to her like a stage. She described that the green field set for birds. It is beautifully decorated for the birds. In that happy environment, skylark was happily flying. So it flying very happily. While the skylark was singing, white butterflies also danced on the wing. Skylark was not bothered about this. It simply flying high and come down. Continuously it moving upwards and coming down. When it flies high, it sings. And when it comes down, it silent. So it's doing this one continuously. So children, I stop here now, and remaining part of this poem we will see in the next class. And your homework, read this poem and find out the rhyming words. List out all rhyming words and write glossary words in your notebook with the poem title The Skylark. Thank you children.